Like a bottle of champagne, I'm on pop. I may be bloated and exploded, but I'm on top. My nails cannot touch my boobies, all the pop. I may be thick, but I got lit. I'm flying through clouds on my whip. Haters gonna hate, and that's okay. I wouldn't have it any other way. It's coming, about to blow a hole through the ozone. Better take cover, cause it's gonna be nuclear. Nicki Minaj go,